Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix if one of your game, one of your software cannot run on your Windows 11 or Windows 10. So first thing to do, you can open your settings on your Windows. I'm running on Windows 11 now. Here you can go to the apps and install apps. There are some apps that you can repair. For example, the apps from a Microsoft itself. Here, if you tap three dot beside the software, you can or apps, there is. So if, for example, Google Chrome, you can tap three dots. There is no way you can modify. It means you cannot repair the software. But if Maps from Microsoft, for example, you can tap three dots. Here we go. There is advanced option. You can click. Here you can repair your app. Here we go. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app data will not be affected. You can try to repair. And of course, next solution, you can try to run services. You can hold Windows and R key and type services.msc and click OK in order to run services. And you can find application identity. You can right clicks, and here you can try to start, or you can click on property. You can start from here, and startup tab you can try to use automatic one. And of course, you can try to run command, like right click on your Windows icon, and here we go. You can try to run a from terminal admin, or you can try to search on by typing cmd. This is the command prompt. You can open by run as administrator. Here you can try to type as fc space hashtag scan now. And now you can enter and let the system fix your missing files or corrupted files on your system. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the text button below. See you in the next video.